Well, here's one new project. I got this pressure washer for 25 bucks. And it won't start. I assume it's the carburetor, and it came with one broken wheel. So I took both wheels off. I replaced those wheels with some lawnmower wheels that I had amongst my stash. And I got this for $125. Same thing, won't start. And one of the wheels broke off the deck. I can weld that back on. So got a couple things to keep me busy. Thursday, I go in for my biopsy. I'm draining the gas out of this before I pull that carburetor off. I just want you to have a look at that gas. That is some watery, gummy, nasty looking gas right there. So, I'm going to clean the carb and see if I can put it together and crank it up. Well, that took about 10 minutes. Si vende. I got this last night. Fixed it today in about 20 minutes. And put it on Craigslist about an hour ago. And I got a guy coming to get it already. I'm only getting $100 for it. I could have asked more, but I just want to turn it, and $100 will put me into that for only 50 bucks. So, and that's going to take a lot of work. I got 2 flat tires on it, and it's got electrical problems, and I'm not real good with electrical, so it might take me a while to figure that out.
What's wrong, Lucy?
How to make more money without using your money. What show was that on? In Living Color, right? More money, more money, more money.